gone through in previous lectures like what is meant by transaction, properties of transaction, and how Kicks execute the transaction. We gone to like Kicks can execute its transactions by its own because of control tables and control programs. Like Kicks can stop control programs and control tables because of both. Kicks can execute the transactions by its own, and we can see the output within the Kicks. We can give the input within the Kicks. We can see the output within the Kicks. Here it is an example. It is a simple basic example how a transaction is executed with program control tables and program processing table. Control tables and control programs. How it is executed, a transaction is executed, how Kicks is executing the transaction, how it is executing, how Kicks nucleus is executing the transaction. Here from terminal, see it is a terminal DMO2. Here it is a terminal. DMO2 is a transaction issued by the terminal. The terminal in the sense it is a user interface where the user issues the transactions. DMO2. PC2 is a program control table. PPT is a program processing table. Kicks address space. Firstly, here the user issued a transaction. DMO2 transaction is 4 characters, 4 character ID as we discussed earlier. Transaction is a 4 character ID. With 4 character ID, we can identify it as a transaction. Firstly, when the user issues a transaction DMO2, here DMO2 transaction means it invokes an application. The user wants to run an application. To that, he performs a transaction called DMO2. The DMO2 is given to program control table. In program control table, it consists of the transaction IDs. Transaction IDs and the respective programs. For the user issued DMO2. DMO2 refers to program GORD PGM2. Here DMO2, the user issues DMO2 to run the program ORD PGM2. In program control table, the program can be identified from transaction ID. From transaction ID DMO2, the program is identified ORD PGM2. Then it is sent to program processing table. In program processing table, it consists of the program and the location. Location in the sense where the program is. It is in the storage or on disk or in storage. It is in storage on disk dash D or some other way. It consists of where the program is. First, we have to find where the program is. Then it is given to PPT, program processing table. In program processing table, see here ORD PGM2 is the needed program. We need this program, and that program is in on disk. It is on disk. It is on disk only. It is on the Kicks operating disk only. Then it is given to the library module. It is the library module where we will have the load module. Load module for that program, the source code where the program is there. From that we load that program to Kicks address space. In Kicks address space we run that program. We are running programs in this address space, so it is termed as Kicks program region. Kicks address space program region. Program region. Region in the sense a separate address space is allocated to that region. Here programs to a separate allocation region. A separate region is allocated to a programs. All the programs. A separate region is allocated. A separate address space is allocated. Region in the sense is separate address space. In that address space only for programs, the program region for program region means in that address space only programs will run. Like applications, say for example, if application region means in that application region only applications will run. So that like we assign regions, region means a separate address space. Here it is a Kicks program region or Kicks address space. It is for Kicks program region, like we will run only programs. Again we gone through briefly. Firstly, from terminal the user issues a transaction ID DMO2. In this example, this transaction is to invoke a application to run a application program to run a program. DMO2. Firstly, the DMO2, the transaction ID is given to program control table. In program control table, it consists of transaction ID respect to program. Like we to find the transaction IDs respect to program. With transaction ID DMO2, here the program is identified ORD PGM2, and when program is found, we have to find where it is in, where the program resides. So it goes to program processing table. In program processing table, it consists of the program and the respective location. Here the program ORD PGM2 is on disk, so it follows to on disk. In disk there will be library and load modules. It consists of the program name and the program load module. Load module in the sense it's the source code, and it is loaded to the address space. In address space only we will run the programs. In that address space we will run the program. Here the main agenda, the user issued a transaction to run a program, and the program is run here. Kicks address space following these steps. Here, this address space is allocated to programs only, to run programs. So this address space is termed as a program, Kicks program region. Kicks program region means a separate address space allocated to run programs. Kicks application region in the sense a separate address space allocated to run the application.